tips and tricks would you give maybe a rising videographer or someone that's been around for a while, but maybe just has a certain style, on how to keep a subject energized without rushing them when filming? And again, I know a lot of it has to do with probably the conversation that you're trying to have, but do you have a couple like go-to questions or go-to tips that is you're probably working with a couple different personalities, and not everyone's super outgoing and not everyone's super reserved. So how do you balance that? What tips do you have for them?
When people are reserved, like in some scenarios, like I just don't work with people. Like if you want to be the best and you want to make the best videos, you can't work with everybody. To be frank, not everyone is good on video. So like you got to be selective. There's like a meme where it's like, is that a good photo or is it just a pretty woman or something? Like it's not necessarily always a good photo. So like, and you see this trend a lot in like Facebook groups for cameras, like people sharing photos, and they're not necessarily good photos. It's like, it's an attractive person.
Good subject,
So,
or
right. Yeah.
setting the expectations. It makes sense.